Hello guys, in these short tutorials, I want to show you how you can create a stroke text animation in Adobe After Effects. Right click on your timeline, go to new and then add a text layer. Right click on the text layer, go to create and select create mask from text. That is going to create a new layer. Add a stroke effect to the new layer. On the stroke property, check all mask and make sure stroke sequentially is also checked. Make brush size 3. Go to 2 seconds forward in time and set a keyframe for the end, and then come to 0 and change the value of the end to 0. Go to 1 second forward in time and set a keyframe for the start, and then go to 3 seconds forward in time and set the start value to 100. Hit U on your keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Select all the keyframes, hit F9 on your keyboard to ease. Edit your speed graph like this. Then on the stroke property here on your effects and control, set the paint style to reveal original. If you preview now, this is what we're gonna have. Ctrl D on your keyboard to duplicate this stroke layer. Hit U on your keyboard to also reveal the keyframe for this. Move your time indicator back to 0 and remove the start keyframes. Then you're gonna offset this to 1 second, 12 frames forward in time. Make changes to the stroke effect. We're gonna max out this brush size to 200. Set brush hardness to 25, and if you preview now, this is what you have. And this is how you can create a stroke text animation in Adobe After Effects without the use of any other plugin. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, do not forget to share to those who might find the video useful. Until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru from MotionDigit Studios.